Big Cartel gives you full HTML, CSS, JS access on all paid plans, Gold $9.99 plus. Steps, login, dashboard, design, edit code, or customize theme. Choose starting point. Pick a free or premium theme, for example, Minimal, Luna, Atlantic. Install. Edit layout and colors. Click Customize, no code. Change fonts, colors, button styles, logo, background. Add pages, about FAQ, custom links, or social icons. Full custom code, most power, pages, edit HTML or CSS, modify header, footer, product grid, styles, DCSS, change typography, spacing, mobile breakpoints, layout HTML, reorder sections, add sliders, embed TikTok feeds or newsletter forms. Add features, embed buy buttons from Printify or Printful. Add Google Analytics, Metapixel, or Klaviyo pop-ups. Use custom fonts via import or font share. Preview and publish. Click Preview. Test on mobile, save and publish.